Hello everyone, it's me about Sagar Roy. I'm going to share the business plan of mine with you guys. So let's see what the business plan is. Basically, it's about a flower ingredient restaurant. So let's see. The executive summary of my restaurant is Flower Restaurant. It is an interesting and new type of restaurant cooking food with flowers as ingredients. The restaurant is also going to provide brilliant and relaxing atmosphere for the people. The startup team will combine expertise managers and chefs. They need to have several years of experience on a restaurant. With the development of the restaurant, we will keep inviting more expertise managers. What are the added values? Number 1, providing unique food, excellent service, and elegant environment. Enhance health, prolong life, cure illness, improve psychological functions. Making people to learn about more flora creating which is led to the booming of this industry. Promoting local economy and traditional Chinese culture based on some beneficial policies from government, reducing local employment pressure. Key to success: keep developing new customers, using customer relationship management to keep customers through making advertisement to make and making the product and the brand, building the first class marketing channel, employment training and the works of the first class, establish first class learning organization and business culture, establish long term partnership with suppliers. At the mature age, using expansion strategy to build branch restaurant nationally. Objectives: open restaurant first, going on promotion, keep improving the original restaurant, increasing the sales and the net margin, concert concrete current sales, starting franchising, becoming a well-known brand, researching the target of the market margin, expand the restaurant of other regions, cooperate with flower bee breeding base to invest, development, holidays resort contains flora creating, catering, flower health caring and flower growing. Next is the company's summary. The restaurant is going to develop into a name brand restaurant with unique food characteristics and establish a leisure resort leading the flower healthcare. The restaurant will offer customers with honest care and comfortable enjoyment to make customers to enjoy first class food, service and environment. Startup summary. The startup expenses contains rent, facilities, expenses on marketing, sales, promotion, building websites, licenses, and so on. So let's see what are the things are there. What are the expenses we're gonna do? Requirements are there. Startup expenses, that is 10,000. Legal 8,000. Rent is gonna be 50,000. Facilities 10,000. Market sales and promotion 3,000. License 50,000. Others 1,31,000. Startup assists, cash required 60,000. Startup inventory 50,000. Other current assets 10,000, and all total it is 2,51,000. And we have long term assists. Startup funding, that is 1,31,000. Startup assist to fund, that is 1,20,000. All total it is now costing 2,51,000. Then we have non-cash assets 0. Cash requirements for startup 1,20,000. Additional cash required, that is 0, and cash balance of starting date is 1,20,000. Total assets 1,20,000. Liabilities and capitals. Liabilities 0. Current borrowing, that is 50,000. Long term liabilities 0. Account payable 0. And other current liabilities 0. Total liabilities, there is 0. Capital is 1 lakh. Plant investment, that is 0. Parent 0. Others 0. And additional investment requirement, it is 1 lakh. Startup expenses, that is 1,31,000. Total capital 31,000. Total capital and liabilities 1,20,000. And total funding, that is 2,51,000. So we are going to keep the location of this restaurant near to the Neer Mahal in Melagarh, Tripura. The size of the restaurant will be about 150 square meter estimation. It is a good environment which is very quiet and calm. It is also a beautiful lake view restaurant. It is very much attractive place as well as we have beautiful tourist place of Tripura, that is our Neer Mahal. A lot of gather of mass are coming in the season of winter. Management achieve this is most basic thing. It contains personal profile, quitting times, the reason for leaving, where did they go, what did they have done, what are they doing. It is most important to record their contact and let the managers to communicate with them, so they could be used for further when the restaurant is developing. This can help to decrease HR cost, and they could be taken for the HR reserve performance for the employees who is in charge of ordering food. The restaurant will reward him on the basis of his sales promotion, and they can get commission on their different dishes of sell and services. Management software. At the mature stage, the restaurant will develop software which is used to manage employees. The form of financing form. The restaurant will be limited liabilities. When it is developed into a certain large scale, it will be switched to share company, which can help the restaurant to develop. Financing, a main source, the owner's money, relative and friends. Individual persons will be regarding as the investor. They may not directly take part in the operation and the management, and it could be the company of ours, but they will also enjoy the stock dividend. B. Apply patent to the product and develop technology. The restaurant will take Institute of Food Science and Technology and the backgrounds to help the development of the product and the technology. Then it could apply loans from the bank. Keeping good reputation, caring about the parental policies released by the government, good credit and the social reputation are the valuable for the business. With the good reputation, the restaurant could attract many social investors. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.